Today we're going to be talking about the lexical verbs or light verbs such as take, have, make, and give, which when used with particular nouns have very little meaning on their own. But in these delexical structures, most of the meaning is usually found in the noun and not the verb. So these structures are pretty common in English, and having a clear understanding of them will enrich your fluency in the language. So, for example, take, when used as a delexical verb, often indicates action or a process. Take a break. Have, for example, indicates possession, experience, or consumption. For example, have a chat. Make often implies creation, performance, or achievement. For example, make progress. And finally, give usually suggests the act of providing or offering. For example, give advice. I hope that was clear. Let me know.